few moments later.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. Now I wanted to do this since so long because I think my makeup look is always very minimal. और मुझसे सब पूछते हैं कि your makeup look is so minimal but yet it looks very presentable. What do you do? How do you do? So this is me without makeup. As you can see my dark circles, blemishes, anything. But my skin is comparatively clear and हमेशा से clear रही है वैसे. So yeah. I really love being in my skin, but for shoots and everything I have to do makeup, and with summers incoming, like summers aa hi chuke hain, it becomes really hectic and very sweaty and irritating to apply makeup. So I follow a very basic makeup routine for summers, and this video is regarding that. Now my summer makeup routine is literally like a 2-minute routine, and for anyone who doesn't know how to do makeup, this video is for you because this is a very beginner friendly video. Even if you don't know anything about makeup, you can literally do this makeup because I was a beginner. I'm still a beginner. I still learn every day something new, but I'm not a pro with makeup, but this works out with me very well, and I have all my makeup stashed here. But I'm just gonna use like 4 to 5 products and I will be done. And the makeup is really simple. It's non-heavy, I would say. ज़्यादा sweaty भी नहीं है. You won't feel too much applied on your face, which I think is perfect for summers because summers should be about lighter skin and everything lighter because it's so hot already. So without further ado, let's get into the video and I'll show you my makeup look for summers. Prep my skin, and when someone says they have prepped their skin, what is the meaning of it? So the meaning is basically they have applied sufficient sunscreen and moisturizer so that makeup doesn't directly affect the skin, and that is what I have done at the moment. I have like applied toner, then moisturizer, then sunscreen, so that the makeup doesn't harm my skin directly and doesn't reach the skin barrier and stuff. Plus makeup is like a upper layer after all this sunscreen and moisturizer. So whether you're a beginner or you're someone who does makeup on a regular basis, please do not miss the steps because it's really important. So I'm gonna show you the makeup routine, which is very simple, and let's get started. The first step that I'm gonna apply is a concealer. Now this is the concealer that I'm using. It is literally beginner friendly concealer, very budget friendly, especially if you get it on sale. I always get it on sale. There's always sale on Nykaa, so why not? So this is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade, I think 2020. Yeah, I'm in the shade 20 Sand. So let's apply it. Now I haven't applied any moisturizer or primer because remember this is a summer makeup look and we want it to be very minimal and very light. So just the concealer for the beginning. So I'm gonna apply it on my corner of the eyes, some part on the inner corner of the eyes, both the places, also the upper eyelids because very important, some on the center, then on the corner of the lips because that portion is usually darker than the rest of your face, chin. Now I don't have like major acne or blemishes, but whatever I have, little bit, just acne marks from my period pimples. So we're gonna apply some on that. That's all. So if you don't have acne, you don't need to apply on your cheeks. If you have acne, you can apply it depending on the severity of your acne or anything like that. Now you can see I have concealed my face. Now it's time to blend. I use my fingers, and I've always said this, I use my fingers because I'm more comfortable with it, but you can always use a brush or a beauty blender, whatever suits you the best. So I'm gonna use these 2 fingers and we're gonna blend everything. Hey guys, my concealer is blended. You can see the difference before and after and how different my skin looks. I really like how the concealer looks very natural. It's not full coverage, but it gives you enough coverage to hide all the blemishes and the dark circles. Now that I've applied concealer, since it's summer, the most important step of this makeup is using a powder. You can use a loose You can use a loose powder or compact based on your preference. I don't use loose powder because I think compact sets everything in place while loose powder just works on your under eyes. So I like using compact. Now I'm not using the sponge with it. I'm gonna use my brush for this. And why you really need to use powder for your makeup during summers is so that you don't sweat a lot. Powder really helps to keep everything together and avoids unnecessary sweating also due to makeup, and since we are not doing a lot of makeup, it won't really create any hazard. So let's do it. So I'm gonna just use a little bit and tap firstly over my under eyes. Done guys, so this is how my base looks. My base is ready. I've just applied concealer and some powder to set everything in the place. Now let's move ahead since I'm not using too many products because it's a summer look. The next step that we are using is mascara, because I think mascara becomes really essential to open up and pop up your eyes. We are not applying kajal because kajal smudges, especially in summers, and liner also because liner makes your eye look a little heavier during summer. We want a lighter look that looks very natural, so just some mascara. Also for the compact, I use Fit Me again. I was in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. And for the mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, so let's apply it. Done guys. Now in summers I don't apply blush because as I said, we are using very minimal products. We have used like 3 products till now, and we are moving on to the 4th product that is gonna do the work of 2 products actually. That is tint. Now tints have been in trend from quite some time, and I love using a tint because it's so light, you don't feel only anything, and I don't like using powdery blushes in summers, although I love blushes, but I think the tint works well. So I'm using the Face Shop Water Tint and it's in the shade Picnic Red, and I love this one, so let's apply it. Very budget friendly. I think the Benetint is quite expensive, so I love this one. And we are just gonna dab it like this, thoda. And the thing is, you have to just blend it turant. I'm using my fingers. Again, you can use beauty blender or anything that you like. Brush, sponge, whatever works for you. Tint for our eyelids also because we're gonna pop it up a little bit. Thoda sun kiss look lagega. I'm just gonna use like a drop, that's enough. That's it. We're gonna blend it. At one last step, and that's lipstick. You can totally skip lipstick and go for a lip gloss or a lip oil. I'm using a nude lipstick because I love lipstick. Instead of this, I often go for like a lip shade. I often go for like lip gloss also, but today it's lipstick day, so a nude lipstick. I love glossy lips. I'm using the e.l.f. lip lacquer, which is in the shade Bubbles. Guys, makeup is done. Let's open my hair and show you the final look. This is how it looks finally, my summer makeup look using just 5 products. We just used like concealer, face powder, tint, lipstick, and what else did we use? Mascara. That's all. And we are ready. I think it's so light, plus it looks so natural. You can literally carry it out anywhere in summers, and I love this look. Let me know what you think about this look. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and found this makeup look helpful. If you did like it, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Also the bell icon so that you never miss a video from me. Until next video, bye, take care.